So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And then once you're on this, in the top left, you want to click on action and then click on rescan disks. Just wait for this. See if that works. For the second method, if you do see your disk drive right here, then you want to change the drive letter. To do that, you want to right click on your disk and then click on change drive letter and paths. Select your disk and then click on change. Just change the drive letter. I'll make it from like E to F, for example. You can do anything you want and then click on OK. Just so you know, some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. If you do want to continue, then click on yes. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. On the left hand side, scroll down and then click on this PC. You want to find your drive. You want to right click on it and then click on Properties and then click on Security. Select Authenticated Users and then click on Edit. Under Allow, you want to tick Full Control. You want to repeat that for administrators. Under Allow, you want to tick Full Control and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. Make sure that you're using an administrator account. It should then let you access this drive. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand disk drives. You want to find the drive that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it and then click on Update Driver and then click on Search Automatically for Drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. For the last method, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. You want to type in chkdsk space and now the letter of the drive you're having a problem with. For me it's going to be F colon. I'm going to type in F colon space /F space /R and then click on enter. It should now start running the scan for you. Once you complete the scan, see if that works. And you could also just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows. Hopefully this will work for you. You could also unplug your hard disk and then plug it back into your computer. Make sure that it's properly connected.